Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Onshape tutorial how to mirror a part. So as example, I will create a simple part. You can click sketch and I will choose the top plane. The next you can move into the top view. Like as example, I will create the rectangle. Click OK. And now you can convert this rectangle into 3D by using the extrude tools. Select the face and click OK. I will hide the origin like this and also the planes in these objects. The next, if you want to mirror, you can use the mirror tools. Click at this icon and you can select for the entities to mirror. I will select this object. For mirror plane, you can select one face. Like I will select at this face to mirror in this point, or you can close and select another face by clicking at this point. Another option, you also can create new planes to set into the mirror plane. You can use these tools, plane, like I will select at this face. You can move the mirror planes like into here. Click OK. And then click the mirror tools. Select the objects, and for the mirror plane, you can select this plane. So it will be automatically mirror with this plane. Okay, that's it for a basic Onshape tutorial, how to mirror a part. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.